Hi, this is Katie from Yarn Society. I'm doing a quick tutorial on a seamless join. I use this technique a lot in my open amigurumi pieces and you'll see why. I'm going to start off by doing a normal fasten off to show you the jagged edge that it creates. Since we work in a spiral in amigurumi, the last round creates a higher edge from our last, creating this jagged look. In order to get rid of that edge, we want to do a seamless join. So right now I'm going to take out my fasten off, and I'm going to put my hook back into that stitch as if this was my last single crochet of the round. So you want to cut your yarn like you normally would and just pull the yarn straight through. Thread that yarn through a yarn needle, and then you will find the last crocheted stitch here. You're going to move one stitch over to the left of your last crocheted stitch. You're going to place your yarn needle underneath both loops and pull the yarn through. Then you'll go one stitch to the right, which is your last crocheted stitch, and place your yarn needle through the middle of the V. Once you pull that yarn through, you'll see that there is a faux stitch created, and you can leave that, but I like to pull it really tight so you don't see that stitch, and then it makes this perfect circle. And now you have a seamless join on your amigurumi piece. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Thanks again.